Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits without yeast. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a little sugar for flavor. Crucially, your butter must be very cold, cut into small cubes. Also, have cold milk or buttermilk on hand. These simple components are key to achieving light, fluffy biscuits without any yeast. Next, combine your dry ingredients in a large bowl, whisking them well to ensure even distribution. Then, add the very cold cubed butter. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Finally, pour in the cold milk or buttermilk, mixing gently until a shaggy dough forms. Avoid overmixing to keep biscuits tender. Now, turn your shaggy dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently pat or roll the dough to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Be careful not to overwork it. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting, to create your biscuit shapes. This technique helps them rise evenly. Gather and gently re-roll scraps once to avoid tough biscuits. Finally, arrange your cut biscuits on a baking sheet, ensuring they are close but not touching, which helps them rise taller. Bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown on top. Once baked, remove them from the oven and serve warm. They are perfect with butter, jam, or even savory gravy. Enjoy your delicious, yeast-free biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.